Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can add music to your Instagram story on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes. Let's get started. Go to Instagram, then click Add Story. Choose a picture or choose any video. Then we need to click stickers on top. Here you can add a location, mentions, avatar, GIF, poll, and click music. Choose any music from the list below. We can use the search bar. Find your favorite song. We can use recommendations, or you can go to your saved songs and find your saved songs. I'm adding this song. It's playing right now. We can choose the part where we want it to play. We can choose whether we want it to have lyrics or no lyrics. Or you can choose to remove the song so that you can't see what the song is. Or you can add it to be added like this, put it in a place, and then click Add Story. Now you will have a song. Play music, melody in the history of your Instagram. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes if you liked this video and helped. Thank you all.